You breathe about 20,000 times every single day, and yet your body still struggles to heal. You rest, you sleep, you eat better than before, but the fatigue stays, the stiffness lingers, the fog does not lift. What if the problem is not what you are missing, but the signal you are sending all day long? If you are over 50, this may feel familiar. You wake up and your body feels heavy. Your mind takes longer to come online. Simple tasks feel slower. Names take a moment longer to surface. You stretch your neck. Your shoulders feel tight. Your lower back feels guarded. Not sharp pain, just stiffness, resistance. You tell yourself, this is just age. This is normal now. You accept it quietly. But here is what matters. Your body is not failing. It is responding. Responding to something you are doing thousands of times a day without realizing it. We've been taught that breathing is about oxygen. Inhale, exhale, that's it. But breathing is not just fuel. Breathing is instruction. Every breath you take tells your nervous system one of two things. Either it is safe to repair, or stay alert, stay guarded, do not heal yet. Most people are breathing enough to survive, but not enough to signal recovery. And that difference is everything. Ancient traditions called this life force prana. In Chinese medicine, it was qi. Modern science uses different language: heart rate variability, vagal tone, nervous system regulation. Different words, same truth. Your breath is the fastest way to speak directly to your nervous system. Elite recovery doctors use this principle to help athletes heal faster. Cardiology uses it to stabilize the heart. Neuroscience uses it to calm overactive stress circuits. Today, we use it for you. Now, we will stop talking and let your body feel the difference. You do not need to believe anything, just follow. Step 1. Set up. Sit comfortably, feet flat on the floor, spine upright but not rigid. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your jaw soften. Let your shoulders drop. Close your eyes. Step 2. Awareness. Place one hand on your lower belly. Do not force the breath. Just notice where the movement is. Most people notice their chest moving. That is stress breathing. We are about to change that. Step 3. The rhythm. We will breathe 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. No holding, no forcing. Like a pendulum. Let's begin. Inhale through the nose. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Inhale. Feel the belly expand. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Feel the belly soften. 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue this rhythm. 1. The mechanical focus. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice the ribs expanding sideways, not up towards the ears, but out, like wings. Inhale, softness. Exhale, restriction. Keep the flow smooth, no jagged edges at the top or bottom. Minute 2. The heart focus. As you breathe, bring your attention to the center of your chest. Imagine the breath is flowing directly in and out of your heart. Science calls this coherence. Your heart rate is slowing down to match your breath. They are dancing together now. In, smooth. Out, release. If your mind wanders to a thought or a worry, gently shepherd it back to the breath. No judgment, just return. Minute 3. The cellular focus. Now, go deeper. Imagine that with every inhale, you are pulling a clean, white light into your bloodstream. And with every exhale, imagine a gray mist leaving your body, carrying away old inflammation, carrying away the cortisol from yesterday. You are washing your cells, rinsing the nervous system. Stay here. Just the breath, just the rhythm. You are safe. Step 4. Integration. As you keep breathing, notice your body. The shoulders may drop, the jaw may loosen, your hands may feel warmer. That warmth is circulation returning. That calm is your nervous system receiving a safety signal. Stay with the rhythm. In, 5. Out, 5. Step 5. Visualization. Now imagine each inhale bringing calm into your chest. Each exhale releasing tension from your spine. You are not trying to fix anything. You are allowing the system to do what it already knows. Continue breathing. Slowly, let the breath return to its natural pace. Keep your eyes closed. Scan your body. Neck, shoulders, lower back. Notice what changed. This is not relaxation. This is regulation. If you do this for 10 minutes a day, not as exercise, but as communication, your body begins to shift. You recover faster. You react less. You sleep deeper. Not because you forced it, because you stopped blocking it. Your body is designed to heal. It only needs the right signal. Before you leave, tell me one thing. Did your hands feel warmer, heavier, calmer? Write one word in the comments. That feedback helps guide the next video. In the next session, we will explore why many people breathe correctly, yet still wake up tired, and what silently interrupts this healing signal at night. I'll see you there.